everyone, myself Pradnya Pujari and I welcome you on behalf of KK Secondary School and Junior College Saraswati Nagar. Today in this video I am going to explain you the difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. So students, let's get started. Now, first of all, we are going to understand the term economics. Economics is that branch of knowledge which study the process through which the resources are scarce in nature are allocated to satisfy the unlimited wants of people. In other words, it study the way we work together to transform the scarce resources into valuable and usable goods and services so as to satisfy the human wants. Now, there are two branches, microeconomics and macroeconomics. Let's understand the term microeconomics. Microeconomics refers to that branch of economics which studies individual units such as a consumer, a household firm, industry, and a price of product. Microeconomic examine how the scarce resources are to be allocated among people efficiently. So, product pricing, consumer behavior, factor pricing, firm behavior, and industry location. Next, economics. Macroeconomics is that branch of economics which deal with economy as a whole instead of individual aspects. Hence, here we are going to study the behavior of larger economic variable as in total consumption, total saving, total investment, etc. So, it analyzes the environment wherein the firm, household, consumer and government takes decision. Covers national income, journal price level, employment level, level of saving and investment, balance of trade and balance of payment. Now, let's know difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. Microeconomics deal with individual unit and the effect of individual decision regarding the allocation of scarce resources. On the other hand, macroeconomic deal with aggregate or large scale unit such as the structure, behavior and decision in an economy as a whole. While the term micro is originated from the Greek term micro, which means small. Conversely, the word macro is derived from Greek word macro, which means large. When it comes to business application, microeconomic applies to operational or internal issues, as against macroeconomic applies to environment or external issues. Microeconomic is concerned with single economic variable such as demand, price, consumer. On the other hand, macroeconomic is concerned with aggregate of economy such as national income, aggregate saving and aggregate output. The scope of macroeconomic is wider in comparison to microeconomic because microeconomic studies various economic problems at an individual level such as how the price of particular commodity will affect its quantity demanded and quantity supplied, as against macroeconomic deal with the problem of entire economy such as unemployment, monetary and fiscal policy, international trade and so on. Microeconomic help in coping with central problem such as price determination and allocation of resources. On the other hand, macroeconomic help in determining of level of income and employment. Lastly, when it comes to important microeconomic a certain price of product and other factor of production. Conversely, macroeconomic maintain stability in the general price level and is helpful in solving various problems of economic. Well,